Hi everybody, my name's George, and you may or may not know that I'm the cameraman for the Nick's Garage YouTube channel. I usually feel much more comfortable on the other side of the camera, capturing images of Nick and his engines and cars. The passion that Nick shows for his work, I hope, shines through in the videos that we make together. I think I've captured a little bit of it, but in person, it's undeniable. Nick has so much drive and passion for the engines and the automobiles that he works with, and it's inspirational, even if you're not truly into muscle cars.
All right, I gotta drive a little bit hard.
Being able to capture a little bit of that passion and share it with our audience is, for me, really a marvelous thing. But I need to come to you today to let you guys know a little bit of what's been happening behind the scenes at the channel lately. You may have noticed that we didn't have a live show for May this year. And I have to tell you today that we're also not going to have a live show for July. The reason for that is on me. At the end of April, I was struck with some healthcare concerns. Now, if you're squeamish about healthcare and descriptions of medical conditions, you may want to skip this video, but I'd appreciate it if you could hang in for just a couple of minutes so that I can explain. The fact is, I'm a man of a certain age, and like a lot of our audience, I was having some prostate issues. For a few years, I'd considered these to be just sort of normal old guy stuff. But unfortunately, at the end of April, I woke up one morning and I just couldn't go to the bathroom. I ended up in the emergency room. I got a catheter, some medication, and some very restricted movement ability, so I wasn't able to head up to the shop for the live show. Fortunately, Nick and I had shot several episodes ahead of time in order to get ready for Nick's summer break. Now, I've had to chew through those episodes as I'm at home recovering, so I've been able to keep the videos coming on Nick's Garage, but I haven't been able to make the drive up to the shop to do the live shows. The good news is, yesterday I was released from hospital with a thumbs up from my doctor following what is called TURP surgery, T-U-R-P. Essentially, this is just a surgery to reduce the volume of your prostate and allow things to flow as they should. My doctor tells me the surgery was a success. So far there's zero sign of cancer, and there's no reason why I shouldn't expect a full recovery. That said, I'm still not allowed to drive for a couple of weeks, so there's not going to be a live show for July. As you can see, I'm still working on episodes here in my home editing studio. So there will be a show for Monday featuring Nick and his beautiful Kowalski Challenger. You're going to like this one, guys. We got out on the road. Nick got a little sunshine, something he never gets enough chance to do because he's always so busy working on other people's cars and barely gets the chance to enjoy his own. So I was very pleased to have this day with him before I went in for my surgery. Now, there's a possibility that we may have to miss a future Monday show as well, as I am still not permitted to drive up to the shop to shoot the next episode. But I promise you, as soon as my doctor lets me get back in the car, the first place I'm going is the shop, the garage. And I'm going to be shooting more videos for all of you because it's the most satisfying thing I've ever done. Working with Nick and getting to share his passion with our marvelous audience it's difficult to describe how satisfying it is compared to some other work I've done in my career. So while I wanted to come on and let you guys know about the live show being canceled for July this year, I also wanted to share a little bit of my story, my medical issues. in the hope that perhaps it could help one or two of the people watching. I understand that our audience is comprised mostly of gentlemen of a certain age, such as myself, and a very common problem for gentlemen of our age is prostatic enlargement. They call it BPH, benign prostatic hyperplasia. Basically, it just means that your prostate gets big and it can squeeze off the flow of your pee. That's what happened to me. Unfortunately, I didn't respond to medication, so surgery was required. I had a marvelous team helping me out here. I like to thank all of them, if any happen to be watching. I met an endless stream of the most compassionate and helpful people imaginable. My skilled surgeon, her staff, and the incredible nurses at the hospital helped me get through a scary and uncomfortable situation with compassion and empathy and a skill level that was very evident. But what I'd like to say to our audience is, if you, like me, were experiencing what you thought were just normal old guy pee problems, I urge you not to ignore them. Please speak with your doctor. There's things that can be done before you end up having to be in the emergency room like I was. If I can save any of you that experience, that would make me feel very good. So, here we go. Here's some details. If you have to get up more and more often in the middle of the night, if you're having any kind of difficulty using the restroom, it's time to speak with your doctor. There's medication. Lots of folks use it. There's no shame in this. It was a little embarrassing at first, but that pride soon disappears. And together with my incredible healthcare team, I'm getting through this. So guys, please educate yourselves a little bit. Speak with your doctor. Don't be shy to describe your symptoms. They can help you, and you can avoid some of the things that I fell into. The good news is I'm feeling lots better. I was released from hospital yesterday, and I'm right back at my editing desk. So there's going to be a show for next week. We're going to keep going from there. We might miss a show coming up in the future before I'm allowed to drive again to get back to the shop. And that breaks my heart. I want to keep shows coming every single week. You might have noticed that lately I've been adding some drone footage to the shows. It's my latest obsession. I got myself a drone last year and immediately fell in love with what it can do. In learning to use it, I've taken some footage of our city. Maybe I'll put some of that footage together just to have something for you guys to watch next week after the Kowalski show that I'm working on now. I understand that's not what you come to Nick's Garage for, but at least it's a sign of life, putting something out. So it's with gratitude to all of our incredible viewers, our amazing community of like-minded muscle car lovers. I thank you for your viewership over the last 10 years. As soon as I'm back on my feet and back behind the wheel, Nick and I are going to continue making these videos because it's what we love to do. I invite you to have a look back through our back catalog. Maybe watch some of the things you might have missed. We've been making videos for 10 years and there's a lot in there. So, gentlemen, muscle car lovers, viewers of Nick's Garage, look after yourself. Thank you for watching. Know that we're doing our very best to keep the videos coming and that things are looking up on my end. Please make sure that you're subscribed to our channel. It seems that some of our viewers who thought they were subscribed found that they weren't. Perhaps YouTube is unsubscribing people. I've heard rumors of that, but I've never heard anything official from YouTube. But I would appreciate it if you'd just check below the video and make sure that you are subscribed so that you catch all our future videos. So thank you everybody for listening to my little note. I assure you, you don't have to look at this face much longer. I'm going to be getting back behind the camera as soon as I can so that you can watch Nick do his thing once again. Until then, I wish you all a very good day and lots of peace, love, and muscle cars.
And you guys, if you look down below the video, we have a whole bunch of merchandise that you guys can buy. So whatever you like, buy it, love it, wear it, and enjoy it. And help spread the word of Nick's Garage. And if you have some time, check out our Patreon page. We have extra content and you guys can watch it and take it from there. And we'll see you next time.